Oh, you're even full of it, aren't you?
See, it's a nice day. Sorry, I'm not going to pick you up, girl. Remember, you're chunky monkey. You got to get some exercise.
Look at Rio.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I can't find my soccer shorts. In your shorts drawer? No, I can't.
Listen, I'm trying to film y'all. Riri. Riri. Now, it's so funny because she doesn't do this with other dogs in the... Of course, they don't allow contact either. I am not picking you up. No. Chunky monkey, go run. Go run, chunky monkey. Look, is that not pathetic?
Very.
You are pathetic. Pathetic. This is exactly what she needed.
Him too. He's full of it.
Woo.
Full of it.
Went got my back cracked.
Oh, good girl.
Needed it too.